Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another video. Today we're going to be jumping in front of people's TikToks and getting sturdy like this. I'll let you see the whole dance while we do it. So as you guys saw in that, that's you getting sturdy in Roblox. If you guys are looking for a Blox Fruits bounty crew, we are currently at 10 million bounty in our crew, and just comment if you would like to join it because we need 5 more members. Anyway, stay tuned. Right, let's get into the video. So who should we ruin first? Wait, let's look over here. Oh, people. Okay, just go in front of them. If you guys are wondering how we got this Portuguese jersey, it's called a game called FIFA World. It's an event right now, ending on November 18th. You can get 3 jerseys of your choice by doing them quests. Actually, you can get 4, can't you? Okay, so in the first one, nothing really happened. So let's go on to the next. These. Yeah, we are recording. These guys. Whoa, they synced us! That's cool. They synced us. Days. On the second one, guys, they decided to sync with us. They were chill about it. Okay. If you want to film it, I'm down. Ah! Okay. I think I know. Yes. By the way, look what I got. I got the fiery horns, though. I just spent a lot of money. Uh, I'm just gonna see if I have any other. Hang on. I also have this. Okay, I need to find the creator mode. Okay. I'm just gonna get this ready. Okay. Let's look at some of the other dancers. Wait, hang on. No, that's trash. I'm just looking for some. I'm just looking for stuff. Oh, we're getting DMs. On the boys at 3 a.m. This is our Blocks Fruit group, by the way, guys, if you're wondering. It's like slowed plus reverb. On beat drop, that sounds sick. Wait, sync me. Sync. Sync me. Wait, hang on. On beat drop. Damn. This is what Cat is when she gets mad. Wait, no. This one. Luca. POV Cat when she gets mad. Look what I got. Look. Oh, also this one. POV do balloon robbers be like. Whoa! All of a sudden that feels so quick. Wait, sync me. Sync me. It feels so quick all of a sudden. Wait. Just wait. Sync me. Hang on. Sync me. Okay, there. Good. All of a sudden it feels so quick, but I went on normal speed. No, so it's just slow, but it feels so quick when I put it on normal. Doesn't that feel so quick? Oh! Look at... Find Joe and Thor. That must hurt so much. Bro, fuck off. Bro, you casually just see a guy in a Portuguese kit. Do you want to play tic-tac-toe? I'm getting sturdy on the ground. No! I'm getting teleported somewhere. I don't want to be here. Okay, come off the roof or wherever you are. Where are you? I'm just getting sturdy in a random place. Where are you, Luca? Where? Where are you at? To the river? You want me to go to the river? Still can't find you. Can you guys close my door? Alright guys, that's going to be all in today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Peace.